Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, AmandaEnsing, and today, can you even believe we're back with a makeup tutorial? I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've done a makeup tutorial. I've just been switching it up on my channel and doing a lot of more vlog style type of videos, so I hope you guys like those, but I wanted to do a fall makeup tutorial today, and I wanted to do like a classic smoky fall look. I don't know what it is about a matte smoky eye. I think it's just so fall, so I did a little get ready with me today, as well as we have a huge fall Bath & Body Works haul, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Amanda. I hope you will subscribe down below, join my A team, and when you do, don't forget to turn those post notifications on, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and say hey down below. So let's get into the makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this fall look. I love fall makeup so much. All right, let's get into it. First things first, I need some lip balm because my lips are feeling so dry. I've been using this so much, it's just been in my purse because it's so cute and tiny. So this is what it looks like, and it comes with an applicator. I'm not like obsessed with the formula, but I love how convenient it is and how easy it is to use. Like, I wish it was just a little bit more hydrating because it's very thin. So I'm gonna start with the skin. I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown Vitamin Rich Skin Base first all over my face to kind of prep before I go in with primer, especially when it starts to get a little bit colder. My skin is just so dry. I'm probably the last person in the world to try this primer, but I'm gonna try the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I know it kind of blew up in the beauty community, so this is what it looks like. I think it's supposed to be kind of like the Tatcha Silk Canvas one, right? I had bigger pores like around my nose and middle of my forehead. It did make them look a little bit smaller, you guys. Another product I haven't tried yet is the brand new Fenty Pro Filter Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. I really liked the original whenever it came out, so I'm excited to try this one because I definitely prefer a more hydrating foundation. So this is what it looks like. It has a little pump. I'm gonna use my beauty blender today. This foundation looks so good. It feels really light on the skin, and I feel like it's definitely more of a medium coverage foundation. Very creamy, but oh my gosh, my skin looks really good. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer to cream contour, and this is in the shade Toffee. I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender to blend it out. I'm gonna take the Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer today. I love the 2-in-1 foundation, so I wanted to give the concealer a go. So I'm just gonna go in and highlight. Ooh, it's super creamy. I'm gonna go below my contour as well, just to clean it up. I feel like anytime I do cream contour, I always like to go in with concealer afterwards, just to clean up anything. Okay, this concealer for real, I'm obsessed so far. It looks so good, and it's not really creasing either. And it just blended so well. I may have found a new favorite concealer, you guys. To set my face, I'm gonna use my Fenty Loose Powder. All right, I'm gonna dust off the excess powder so we can start working on the eyes. So I'm gonna try out the new Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. I love the packaging, I think it's so pretty. And this is what it looks like. A lot of warm browns and gold colors. So I'm probably gonna end up just using the matte shades, but let me zoom you guys in and we will start going to town on these eyes. I'm gonna mix Keeper and Hive. It's this like really warm and really taupey brown color. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and start working this for our transition color in the upper crease. I'm gonna take a cream shadow. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Color Chameleon Amber Haze for brown eyes, but any color eyes obviously can use it. So it's this really pretty bronzy color, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it. So what I wanna do is put this all over the lid and then pack a really matte, intense brown shadow on top of it just for my eye base. I'm gonna take the synthetic brush and just buff out the edges. So now I'm gonna take Sting, which is the dark brown right here. And I'm taking a Morphe M433, and I'm gonna coat the ends of the brush with this color. And I'm gonna start by patting this on top of the lid and then working it up into the crease. I just keep building up the brown until I get to that intensity that I want. And then I also go back and forth between my fluffy brush and my crease brush, adding a little bit more of Keeper, which was the more mustard brown, and buffing out any harsh edges. So now I'm going to wing out my eyeliner. I'm going to use a gel liner, and this is a Morphe M250 brush. I went ahead and put it in the waterline as well and brought out my inner corner a little bit. So I did my upper waterline and the lower waterline, and now we're going to go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line. So I'm going to start on the outer corner and then bring it inwards. This next step will make the biggest difference, I swear you guys. Take any black eyeshadow, there's not one in this palette, so I just took a random one and a flat brush and press it up against the lower lash line, and it will smoke out your smoky eye to a whole nother level. Like, it will really intensify it. Do you see how much smokier this eye is than this eye? I'm gonna do my brows really quick off camera, and then we will move on to lashes, rest of the face, and lip color. I haven't done pomade brows in a hot minute. I don't hate it. I've just been so into like the more natural, thick, feathery brow. I did keep it a little bit messy still, but I don't hate it. I feel like for this bold look, I wanted something really dramatic for the brows. Okay, now we can move on to lashes and mascara. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I love the packaging, it's so cute. I'm gonna use these from Huda Beauty. This is the Kalana number 21 lashes. I'm gonna take the Fenty Eyelinting bronzer, and I'm just gonna lightly go over where I contoured. All right, for my blush, I'm gonna use the Cover FX Monochromatic Blush Duo in Warm Honey, and this is the color. I just think it's so fall. So I'm gonna start with the matte side. She's pigmented. I haven't tried this one before. I'm just gonna focus it towards the apples and a little bit on my nose. For my highlight, I'm gonna take this loose Becca Glow Dust highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. So pretty. All right, so I'm gonna go change and we'll be back to finish with the lip color and setting spray. I'm gonna take this NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural, and I'm just going to line my lips. I'm gonna take the Ofra liquid lip in the shade Las Olas. I had to get my hair out of my face. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I'm at this stage in life where I just can't deal with my hair down. So to lock in my makeup, I'm gonna use the Morphe makeup setting spray. We're locked and loaded. This makeup ain't going nowhere. All right, you guys, so this is the final fall makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I'm feeling super fall right now, and I have so many ideas for fall makeup. I think fall makeup might be my favorite. I feel like I always say it's summer, but for real, I think that it just might be fall. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's jump into the second part of the video, which is a fall Bath & Body Works haul. I shared on my story that I spent $400. Honestly, I blacked out. I don't know what happened. Next thing I knew, I was in the car with 3 huge bags. So I wanted to share everything with you guys. Instead of making 2 separate videos, I figured I'd make one where you're gonna make a tutorial and a haul. So let's do it. I have 3 receipts, but I don't know where the third one is. They like rang up certain things together, like fragrances together and soaps together and whatever, because they said you save more money that way, and I was like, okay, yeah, whatever. I don't know, but make sure you guys have the app. If you don't, on the app they do like all of the sales and the coupons, so you don't have to look online for them. And on the app, I like was checking out and my app was refreshing and I was getting free stuff. It was awesome. Okay, so let's just get into it. So I got a candle called Fall Farmhouse. It's what's lit behind my studio right now. So that one has been lit the whole time I've been filming, and it smells so good. It's like the perfect fall candle. I got a lot of candles because I'm obsessed with them. I also got the Nature Walk candle. I've never had this one, and this one has sandalwood and bergamot. It smells like a fall boyfriend. I also got Autumn Woods. Oh my gosh, smells amazing. This is dark walnut, lavender, and amber, but I don't smell the lavender at all. I got Leaves. I always get Leaves every fall. And Leaves, like, it definitely has apple. Okay, I was like, what is that scent? Like the apple and the clove spice, you definitely smell a lot. And then it also has golden nectar and essential oils. I got Vanilla Birch, which I've had this one before, and I loved it. This has vanilla, white birch, sandalwood, essential oils. It's like vanilla, but better. I love how cute the designs are on the candles. They had so many cute ones. This one is flannel. If you don't know flannel, you need to know flannel. It's like Abercrombie and Fitch, but we actually like it. I got pumpkin pecan waffles. I always get this every fall. Oh, it's so, so good. So maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, brown sugar, and essential oils. One bag down, you guys. Okay, how cute is this candle holder? It has a little fox on it. I got Marshmallow Fireside. Marshmallow Fireside is so nostalgic for me. When I used to film in my bedroom and when I moved back in my parents' house before moving out after college, I would have to like turn off the AC, have everyone be quiet so I could film my intro and outro. And I like could not breathe. I was suffocating because my room is so tiny, and these candles fill up a whole room. And I know it sounds crazy, but it's a good memory because that's when I started my YouTube channel. Next, spiced chestnut. I've never had this one. Chestnut, mulled spice, dark rum, barrel-aged barrel-aged spiced cider. Say that 3 times fast. And essential oils. I thought I was gonna break the candle. Next, I got Paris Cafe. This one I already have, but I'm almost out of. And this I love to light in the mornings. I think Paris Cafe is a permanent one, but I light this in the mornings in my kitchen, and then your whole kitchen smells like a bakery. Oh, got this little plug-in. These are for the wallflowers. I'm gonna show you guys. So cute. These I have all over my house. I've had them since I started my YouTube channel, and they're bomb. Oh my gosh, we have a whole nother row of candles. Why did I buy so many candles? But I swear to you guys, the candles don't last as long anymore because I can go through one candle in a week if I light it like every night for a few hours while I'm like eating dinner, chilling, whatever. Caramel pumpkin swirl. This is caramel, of course, cinnamon, brown sugar, creamy vanilla, and essential oils. Oh, sweater weather. I only got one of these because I still have 1 or 2 from last year, and I went through like probably 3 or 4 last year. This is my favorite. If you can only get one, get sweater weather. They always bring it back. Oh, sweater weather, it just brings back so many memories. Even it reminds me of my Tennessee house. This has sage, juniper berry, eucalypt, fresh woods. I don't smell the eucalypt in here. And essential oils. It's just fall. Like, it just reminds me of like fall. Mahogany teakwood, high intensity. Raphael picked this one because he loves this scent. This is like flannel, but a little different. It's like very much a manly scent. Vanilla pumpkin marshmallows. And I don't like food scented candles by any means, so if I get them, know that they're bomb. I got this other little free item, another candle holder. All right, I got a ton of wallflowers because I have a very open floor plan in my house. I like to put like 1 wallflower in every room because it just smells the whole room, and it's kind of like a different experience every part of the house you go to. All right, so these are the wallflowers. They go into the little plugins. I got that fall plugin, and then I think this is the only other plugin I got. It's a little bronzy one. I think I got that item for free as well. So for the wallflowers, they're just these little guys. I got flannel. I got gather, which smelled really good. I can't remember, but these all smell really good. This has glazed apples, maple sugar, and creamy vanilla. I got sweet cinnamon pumpkin. I got vanilla birch, warm apple pie. Oh my gosh, I have been waiting to open all this stuff on camera with you guys, and it's been sitting in my living room for 2 weeks now, like since before my birthday. I got bourbon maple, autumn woods, pumpkin pecan waffles, eucalyptus mint, a lot of the candle scents. White pumpkin, I did not see that candle. And then we have some soaps that I got. I love putting these in my bathroom and in my kitchen. We got white tea sage. It's a really cute like black and white marble print. Cotton and freesia. These are very fresh scents. They're not like fall in particular, they're just fresh. I got white coconut caramel, and it has cute little white pumpkins on it. I got crisp morning air. I got eucalyptus mint. Raphael must have picked all the eucalyptus mint. He really loves that scent. The first time I brought him to Bath & Body Works, he was like, what is this store? And now he like loves shopping there because it's just an experience when you go in there. You get to smell, and it's instant gratification because they all smell so good. Okay, I got some of their new aromatherapy. This is the Sleep and Black Chamomile. I love the original Sleep, the lavender chamomile. I have the pillow mist. I have the body scrub is really, really nice. So this one is new. I've never seen it before. So it's Sleep Black Chamomile with natural essential oils, a body wash, and also foam bath, so you can put it in a bath. I got the pillow mist because I love the original one. Like, Raphael usually is the one that does it, but he'll like spray our pillows before we go to bed. It's really cute. And then it's supposed to help you sleep because it has essential oils, but it just smells good. I picked up some of the room sprays. They smell so good. They're cute and compact, not like Febreze that are big ones. I got Frozen Lake. This is actually a winter scent. I bought this candle last year. I got Sweater Weather, of course, and Leaves. Almost done, you guys. Okay, I picked up this mist. This is called In the Stars. It's a new mist and it smells so good, like a body mist. I like to put stuff like this in my gym bag because it's just like very light, just in case I feel like I smell weird. I don't know, you never know. I got Twilight Woods body wash, and this is Lush Berry, Mimosa, and Cypress Wood. This is also very musky and very fall. It's kind of like Moonlit Path, and that, like, I love that scent. It's a permanent scent. Moonlit Path just has like so many memories to me in my like high school and stuff, so I love it. And then I also got Midnight Peony. This is a new body cream and it also smells so good. And then the last thing that we got are hand sanitizers. I like to keep these like in my bag, in the car, also when we travel. We got Noir for Men. Rafael loves this one. Gingham. I don't know. I didn't smell that one. I think he picked that one up. Crisp Morning Air, Sweater Weather, and Japanese Cherry Blossom. I went through $400 of stuff in like 10 minutes. How is that even possible? Alright, you guys, so that is it for my makeup tutorial and haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think I'm gonna go get a pumpkin spice right about now. I'm like really craving one. Love you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.